some shit I like to fix, but I still know that I'm blessed.
We're gonna hike to Soda Lake. We're celebrities. Those folks are like, hey, we just saw you at the last stop. And then Bitterwater Road, she says it's closer to this end than over at Shell Creek, was it called?
Yes.
It's a little breezy, but too bad. Bobby's just no sleeves and shorts. I got a little bit of my thick wool sweater that has a hood on it too. Expensive.
Hello.
Very expensive.
I don't need that little side window. Front's kind of weird.
It's too skinny.
It is a little skinny, huh?
And that's the road that goes over to the overlook. All right. Oh, look at, there's a Disney princess on the path. Jasmine, I think. All right, let's see the etiquette.
Because every flight goes out at capacity.
Yeah, don't pick the flowers. Rattlesnakes. Oh, there's the flowers that you'll see. Fillneck. Daisies. Stop, pause, and educate yourself. 3,000 acres. Is it natural?
It is. It's 82% sodium sulfate. It's very alkaline.
Where does the water feed in from? Just little
Just
brooks.
self-contained with no outlet.
Or they're just trying to get into the game.
Oh, they used to have a plant in 1908 that would process it. I wonder if that was what we saw, that infrastructure back there. Then I'm like, what's that business? Could have been related to this. I'm going to take a snapshot for her. Yeah, the dogs are muddy. You'll hear all the grasshoppers?
Yeah. Crickets, grasshoppers.
Crickets?
Crickets.
So what I was saying, I already said it, but this sauce. It's a little chilly. It's a bit cold at nighttime.
Very light. Out here too.
Oopsie.
The sun happened to be out when I got out of the car, so it was all warming me up nice.
I'm glad I took a second thought of it. Yeah, that it's these fluffy clouds really change it quickly. See, those are a little different. Some of them are already drying up. Oh, these are the fiddlenecks, huh? There's fiddlenecks trying to come unravel. So many bugs. And we'll be heading down the road that way to camping, and then everyone else is way up there. We're not doing that today, like I said. A lot more bugs than us. We're outnumbered. All the paw prints from all the pets coming out here. All right, we're gonna enjoy the walk. We'll see you there. That was so lovely. I swear to God, the button is an F word trigger for you. The second I touch it. All right, we're approaching the water. It's been a lovely walk with caterpillars and flowers and... Oh, there's the boardwalk, I see. I think that's it right there. That's a strip of the boardwalk park. At least we know we're in the right spot now. We passed someone from Cambria, which is not far from our neck of the woods too. Oh yeah, why didn't we bring our binoculars? We have like 4 sets and we always forget them. I want to walk right here, just so you know, don't get too far ahead of me. Oh, it was higher. It's gone down a lot, huh? Is that just evaporation?
Yes.
Because it's so alkaline, it probably evaporates quicker.
Well, it's just a large body of sunlight to hit.
Oh, and shallow.
And shallow. And the shoreline's extremely shallow, so there's very little water.
There's the boardwalk, cool. Looks like there's some signage. Beautiful. Uh-oh, the signs are messed up, huh? The sun's brutal. How neat. And then you don't have to see we're raised above, kind of like in Yosemite, they raise you up so you don't damage everything.
Wow, somebody walked out there in the water. People, or at least one out and one back.
So that person.
Otherwise, you walk home.
That's funny. Well, he's been forewarned. He decided he didn't want to do that now.
Like this where they jumped off, girl. I'm gonna walk out there.
Oh yeah, they're not the only ones.
Yeah, because this isn't good enough.
I'm gonna get a piano. What is there, a rattlesnake or something? What are they all looking at? I don't like snakes. What is it?
A rattlesnake.
I knew it. I hate them.
Oh, cutie.
Babe, you're not playing with the snake.
No, you can't right now because he's in his coil.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, always beware of snakes with the head of a diamond.
He's ugh. The sign said there was rattlesnakes.
That's probably why they put this.
Yeah, another reason, huh? Bobby's gonna get a photo.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
He's, I guess, old, 6, 7 years old.
Yeah, but sometimes.
The relatively small one.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
He's probably almost 3 feet, 2.5 feet.
I remember getting some in my backyard in Yorba Linda, and they were like really
Oh, yeah.
long and really thick.
Yeah.
They were.
Is it partly because he doesn't have as much food to eat here, maybe? Or what? I don't know. I'm not a snake
you ever
expert.
Yes, I have.
They're very good.
Yeah,
They're very good.
I cooked it in bacon.
Oh, really?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, they're very.
He can hear you
very
guys.
good.
Just kidding.
We went hunting. My son and I went hunting up at Northern California.
It's like some of the best chicken.
Yeah.
Whereabouts? We're from Northern California originally.
It was near the border.
Oh, way up
Oregon,
north.
by the 5, off the 5.
Nice.
So I forget the name of the hunting area. We were going up there for birds. Came home with and I was my son's all, Dad, snake. I'm like, where? I heard the rattling. It was rattling, and since I was wearing a hat, looking at the sound.
Don't.
Sound stop the hat.
Please stop it. Please.
The sound bounced off the hat, and I was thinking it sounded.
He just always has to push his luck. They're talking about their rattlesnake recipes.
Wrapped with.
Oh, nice.
It's very, very beautiful.
And it worked.
Oh gosh, I have the willies now because I know some of you guys love snakes probably. He was just minding
Now
it.
we're not looking at the flowers anymore. Now we're looking at rattlesnakes.
I know, that totally changed the mood. Ew.
Well, now we know to beware too.
The sign said
These
rattlesnakes.
trails are very tempting, but you know they gave us this boardwalk.
Yeah, and he can ball up pretty small.
Yeah, he could strike half the distance of his coil.
His head looked kind of small. All right, we're gonna enjoy the rest of the boardwalk here. All right, that was amazing. Now we're gonna make the trek back to our vehicle, back down the path. Hopefully onto the visitor center and then campsite, which I have no idea where that's gonna be. We'll know it when we see it. It's dispersed and it's free. Bobby noticed this caterpillar, he's in the race. He's in the middle of the road, should I get him out so he doesn't get killed? Get him go. Go, 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 go. All right, Bobby said to leave you alone. We made it back from the boardwalk and the trail. All right, we're looking for the Goodwin Visitor Center.
If I can't keep my head held high enough, I'll just be love and watch the smiles come.
Thanks for watching.
Bring my spirits up.
Don't forget to stop and smell the flowers.
There's some shit I like to fix, but I still know that I'm blessed.